What is going on, YouTube? Oh yeah, you.
What do we got?
What?
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 Wow, what's that?
So right here we got the
White elephant done right.
we got the DJI Mavic Air in the flame red. Some features we got here off the bat. Read off my phone.
Is that a Google? Ew. Just kidding.
So 21 minute battery life, 3-axis gimbal, but this one does 4K. We played with the Mavic Mini. That didn't have 4K. A little bit longer battery life.
About 30 minutes, which is pretty neat.
Yeah. Luckily, Annie's mom exchanged it because I crashed it. Didn't know you can't fly it at night.
Now we know.
Don't try it. So, let's see what we have here.
A little bit heavier, but with the additional features, definitely worth it.
So again, we got this in, I didn't get it. Not we. Her. She got it in flame red. Her mom did. And, which means, according to the sales guy, there's going to be no more red. So I guess it's kind of exclusive.
It'll be easier to track in the sky. Oh, I didn't have
So,
its own little thing.
so unlike the Mini, this comes with, looks like a carrying case.
For the controller or what?
We're about to find out. Nope,
Oh.
This is the actual drone itself. So the Mini doesn't come with the case, but this one does. Nice, nice. The red's pretty sweet. It's a deep red.
Tells you how to pull it out the.
It looks kind of like a Ferrari red, right? So we'll hold off on that one though. We'll see what else is in the box. But that's pretty dope. It comes with the case.
Protection.
Okay.
This baby costs too much to not have a case.
You're right. So next we got this box. And this is going to be, this is the propeller protectors. They're like guards. They go around it. So if you do crash it, the propellers will stay in one piece, and these will break probably.
Yay!
Reading material when
I love that.
This is
Oh, you can read in Chinese?
no, but you can read this whenever you're on the toilet. Spare propellers, always nice.
In case you crash it again.
Not this time. That's it for this one. Put this aside. Put this to the side.
More goodies.
So now we got the controller. Just almost the same as the Mini one. Looks like it has a couple more buttons.
It's a little bit heavier, I think.
Yes, it is.
Somewhat the button placement's a tad different.
And then this will be the last box. I'll put this to the side. Looks like it's gonna be the charger.
Oh, nice.
Oh, the charging brick. Oh, this one's bigger. Comes with 2 USB ports. Looks like a proprietary. And does that go on the controller or?
Good question. We'll have to figure that out.
We have some cables. Let's see.
Charger.
So it's the.
To charge the brick.
Yep. This is the end that goes into the brick, so it can go into the outlet, and then we have. Oh, no worries. Oh, and then these are the cables that connect the controller to your device. So it comes with, looks like 2 micro USB and USB-C. I don't see one for iPhone. That's the last time. Here's a USB to USB-C
Nice.
cable.
Because this controller has a USB thing on it.
Mm.
But yeah, the Mini didn't have this extra charging brick, so the bigger it is, the more stuff you can battery it up and carry along.
This one, it's It's weird that this one doesn't have a.
iPhone?
Yeah. So yep, there's no lightning port or lightning end. It's just USB-C and micro.
So I can't use my iPhone?
Don't look like it. That would not be cool if they made you buy a separate cable.
Interesting.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. So, I'm gonna go back to the drone.
The drone. It has a nice little mesh thing on the outside too. Or elastic.
I will say it's strange that you don't get a case for the controller as well. But I mean, I guess that's
more important for this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The case has some nice little grooves too, so there's a specific way to put it in.
So this one actually does come with the iPhone cable, but it's already attached.
Nice.
So that's good.
So the drone has like specific directions on how the legs come out. So these, which is the front? This is the back. So the back ones kind of swivel downwards and out, and the front ones you just pull out. Look at that bad boy.
Dope. Pretty nice.
Let's see. And then what's this thing called front?
That's the camera, and it's on a gimbal, so there's a camera protector.
I don't know how. I don't think I'm gonna break it.
So I'm gonna give you the controller. You can set that up.
They got these little places to put the remote thingy. Yeah, I can just twist it in. There are some cases for the remote itself, or like a protector, so you don't have to always unscrew the remote revolver part.
Remote revolver.
Something like that. Controller?
Oh.
What other things?
So this gimbal protector is a lot better than
the mini?
Yeah. So you just clip it, one, and then this slides off.
Nice.
I think you'll like that better than the other one.
Oh yeah.
You had a little bit of trouble last time.
Is this the one where you could take the gimbal part off and just put it on like a GoPro stick or something?
I don't know.
Don't break it this time yet.
I don't think so.
Oh.
But
is it the bigger one you can? I don't know. It looks like you might be able to.
No, I just think it's more loose.
Oh.
More free. But yeah.
Oh, this has a sport mode.
The other one has sport mode too.
Oh.
Oh, these propellers are more straight.
Yeah, the other one, they were all like, they would close up.
So it looks like the propellers are connected as one. On the mini, it had him separate and dangling. That's what I feel like this is better.
Much sturdier for sure. It costs like a lot more, so it better be sturdier.
For sure, for sure. I think that's it for now. Very nice. Good weight. Time to play with it. In the house. Don't do it outside, guys. At night. Not a good idea. Alright. I think that should be good for now. What do you think about that, dude?
Cute.
Think so?
We shall see.
Okay.
Alright.
You're still recording, so just add that to the bloopers. Yeah, I think you'll like this better. So you just like...
I like it better, or you'll like it better.
You're the one who's using it. So you just slide this in, just like that, and then you just clip it.
Maybe you should squeeze. That might have been better if you just squeezed it close to.
Squeeze it close? Okay. So yeah, you just...
That's not closed yet.
Yeah. Wait.
Where'd it go?
What'd you drop?
The
You close it, babe?
thingy. Found it. This is why it'd be nice to have the cap for it.
I don't think you have to slide it, right? You can just press it on top.
You could.
Okay.
I mean,
wanna try it?
Is it battery up?
Oh, you know the battery's ready. You gotta get your phone. It's still recording. Dang.
This fool can't wait.